Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Can a U.S. pharmacy fill a prescription from another country? This is a question a lot of travelers and new residents ask, and the short, simple answer is almost always no. It might seem frustrating, especially if you have a valid prescription from a doctor in your home country, but there are several very important reasons why this is the case. First and foremost, it comes down to licensing. For a prescription to be valid in the United States, it must be written by a healthcare provider who is licensed to practice in the United States. A doctor licensed in Germany, Japan, or even our neighbor Canada, doesn't have the legal authority to prescribe medication in any U.S. state. Think of it like a driver's license. You can't use a foreign license to get a commercial trucking job here without getting a U.S. commercial license first. The second major hurdle is the Food and Drug Administration, or the FDA. The FDA has a rigorous approval process for every single medication sold in the U.S. A drug that is common in another country might not be FDA approved here. It could have a different name, a different dosage, or contain different inactive ingredients. A U.S. pharmacist cannot legally dispense a drug that isn't FDA approved, and they can't just guess at an equivalent. They are legally bound to fill the prescription exactly as written, and if the drug isn't in their system, they simply can't do it. Then there's the issue of controlled substances. These are medications with a potential for abuse, like certain painkillers, anxiety medications, or ADHD treatments. These are strictly regulated by the Drug Enforcement Administration, or DEA. There is absolutely no way a U.S. pharmacy will fill a foreign prescription for a controlled substance. The verification and legal requirements are just too strict. Beyond these legal walls, there are practical safety concerns. How can a pharmacist in California verify that a prescription written by a doctor in Spain is legitimate? They can't easily call the doctor's office, check their license number, or confirm the patient's diagnosis. The risk of fraudulent or incorrect prescriptions is far too high, putting both the patient and the pharmacy at risk. So, what should you do if you're in the US and need a refill on a foreign prescription? Your best and really only option is to see a US-based doctor. You can visit an urgent care clinic, a walk-in clinic, or make an appointment with a general practitioner. Bring your foreign prescription and even the medication bottle with you. You won't use it to get a fill, but you'll use it as proof of your medical history. The U.S. doctor will assess your condition and, if they agree with the treatment, they will write you a new, valid U.S. prescription that you can take to any pharmacy. I hope this clears up why a foreign prescription won't work in a U.S. pharmacy and gives you the right steps to take. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing.